As you can see, these individuals have earned $148,000 using this method, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how they did it. In today's video, I'll show you a simple way to make money online by using ChatGPT and Google Drive. It's straightforward, and I'll guide you through everything you need to know step by step. You won't need to create your own website or anything complicated like that. It's an easy process to follow. Plus, we'll be using AI to speed things up for you. Let's dive into the tutorial and start making money online. Before we get started, let's take a quick look at some results. Many people are already making money with this, and as you can see, this person made $148,000, which is incredible. I'm going to show you how to achieve similar results. A lot of people are making serious money with this, and I want to show you someone who's new to it but has already made $56,000 using this method. So we know it works, and we know people are seeing real results. In this video, I'm going to take you through everything step by step, showing you exactly how these individuals are earning money. But we're not going to drag this out. I'll keep it quick and straightforward. Let's jump in, and I'll show you how to start making money online with this method. The first thing you need to do is open ChatGPT. You can use the free version of ChatGPT, so there's no need to spend any money on this method. Once you're in, you'll need a specific prompt to get started. I've already prepared this for us. The next step is to input a prompt that generates hundreds of ideas for t-shirt designs. We're going to take these t-shirt designs and load them into a batch file. Make sure to specify images only and no text, because we want designs that don't include any words. After that, let ChatGPT do its thing and generate the content we need. Now, the first attempt didn't go as expected, but luckily I already have some examples ready from earlier. Not sure why the first try didn't work. It's a bit odd. But here are some that turned out really well. Abstract color explosion, geometric shapes, floral burst, mountain silhouettes, animal silhouettes, retro sunset, which is a personal favorite, tropical leaves, galaxy and stars, and waves in motion. There are even more options like fantasy dragon, pop art, and holographic patterns. ChatGPT provided us with 50 prompts, which is incredible. So we can go ahead and use these to generate our designs. This is the method we're going to use to make money online. I'm going to stick with one design I tried earlier that worked out really well. A retro-style sunset with orange and purple hues, palm trees in the background, and an ocean horizon in the foreground. The next step is to open an app called Leonard. You'll need to sign up for your own account, which is free to start. You get 150 credits to use initially, and then you can upgrade to get more credits if you need them. This tool is incredible, as it creates everything using AI. Just look at this. It even generates realistic-looking images like this cat, which is amazing. The software is really impressive because even though it's all AI generated, the images look so real. Now let's head over to the image creation section. At the top, we'll enter the prompt for our design. After pasting in the prompt, go ahead and click Generate. This will cost us 24 credits. Now if you want to create hundreds or even thousands of images, I'll show you a different software for that later. But I wanted to introduce Leonard.AI because it allows us to create images and generate multiple versions quickly. As you can see, I generated 4 images here, then another 4, making a total of 8. You can keep repeating this process to create more images for this method. The results are really nice, as it took the exact prompt from ChatGPT and created some high-quality images. Let me try one more example. Let's go with a galaxy and stars theme to see how accurate this tool is. I'll use the remaining credits on this free account just to show you the result. I started this free account just for this tutorial, so I'll come back and see how the images turned out. The new set looks decent, but I definitely prefer the palm trees. There are so many different styles to try, so I might test one more to give you another example. Let's go with an art collage street art theme to see how it turns out. Alright, this one came out really nice. I'm happy with the results. These kinds of images work well for this method. But remember, it's important to avoid including text on the images. AI isn't great at handling text yet, and as you can see, some of the images here have awkward text elements. The next tool you can use is RunwayML.com. With this, instead of generating 4 images at a time, you can create hundreds at once. Go ahead and sign up for an account there. It's a paid service for what we need, but I'll walk you through how it works. This is it, Runway.com. Here's the dashboard, and I'm going to click on the text-to-image feature. Let me grab a prompt, though it doesn't really matter which one for this example since we're not going to run it right now. I'll paste it into the prompt section, and here's the important part. You can click on Batch. Now this is a free account, so I can't actually run the batch process at the moment, as it requires adding credits. But with batch processing, you can generate hundreds of images at a time using this platform. This makes the process much faster compared to doing a few at a time with other tools. You can use this for the next step in the process to start making money online. I just wanted to show you that you have the option to use batch processing for creating a large number of images. Or you can stick with Leonard.AI and repeat the process over and over to generate different images each time. Keep in mind that you'll need to pay to access these features as well, since they require credits. Alright, I almost forgot. If you want, you can also go back to ChatGPT and input t-shirt designs as a prompt. There are some GPT models that will generate t-shirt design ideas for you, so that's another option if you want to explore it. Now, let's move on to the next step in making money online with this method. We're going to do two things. First, you'll need to open Google Drive. You'll be using this to store the images you've downloaded. For example, if you used RunwayML and generated 100 or even 1,000 AI-created t-shirt designs, you would place them into a folder. Once you have your images in the folder, the next step is to upload that folder to Google Drive. While I won't be uploading anything right now for this tutorial, that's exactly what you would do. After uploading the folder, you'll have access to it through Google Drive, and you'll be ready for the next step. Once your images are uploaded to Google Drive, you can click on the Share option. Let's pretend that these structural plans in my folder are actually t-shirt designs. What I want to do next is create something people can download. So I'll open Google Docs and write something like, "Thank you for your purchase. Get your download by clicking here." I'll highlight that text and link it to the download link I just copied from Google Drive. Once that's done, I'll go to File, select Download, and choose Download as PDF. Now, when people open this file and click on the link, it will take them directly to the download where they can access all the t-shirt designs. So how do we make money from this? It's really simple. Head over to Etsy.com, where you can sell t-shirt design bundles. For example, there's a seller offering 12,000 t-shirt designs, and they've made thousands of sales. This is how you can start selling your designs and earning from them. You'll find a wide range of t-shirt design bundles being sold on Etsy, ranging from 155 to over 12,000 designs. People are making great money selling these. For example, you can see a listing that sold over 2,000 bundles, and there are others with sales like 19, 150, 1.6K, or 300 sold. If you click on any of these listings, you'll notice they are digital downloads. This means the product is a PDF file, just like the one we created earlier. When someone purchases the product, they get immediate access to the PDF, which contains the link to download the t-shirt designs. What's impressive is that some of these listings show 2,000 reviews, meaning they've sold far more than that. By offering a digital download, you don't need to handle physical products. The buyer clicks the link and gets their designs instantly. This process is fully automated. Once it's set up, the sales will come in through Etsy without any extra effort. That's how you can make money online by creating simple t-shirt design images using the tools I've shown you. Afterward, you can use Google Drive to store the images, create a simple PDF, and sell them on Etsy.com. It's a straightforward process. Just set up a shop, which is easy to do, and follow what others are already doing. You can even use ChatGPT to write your product descriptions, and then everything is ready to go. That's it, super simple. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and smash that like button. See you next time.